Hello, I am Nilesh Avare and today I am going to talking about the terminology which is used in pharmacovigilance and clinical research. So let's start with the first is what is meant by pharmacovigilance, in which the pharmacovigilance means it is a science and activity related to the detection, assessment, prevention and understanding of adverse drug reaction and any drug related problem. It means pharmacovigilance. Second is what is meant by clinical research. Clinical research is a systemic investigation in human subject to evaluationary drug should be safe and effective to the human. It means clinical research. Then what is meant by ANDA? Sorry, what is mean by uh, ANDA? ANDA means abbreviated new drug license. This license is filed when to manufacture the generic drug of the standard drug, and this license is approved when the standard drug license should be standard drug patent should be expire. Then the abbreviated new drug license should be approved to manufacture the generic drug of this patent drug. And then SNDA means supplemented new drug application. If supplemented new drug application is filed when if the minor changes is necessary in market product. At this time the supplemented new drug application is filed. And then what is meant by adverse event? Adverse event is a untoward and noxious adverse untoward and noxious effect of drug which occur when drug is used in normal dose for the treatment of disease. And in adverse event there is no causality relationship between event and drug. And then adverse drug reaction. The adverse drug reaction means it is untoward and undesirable effect of drug are seen when drug is used in a normal dose for the treatment of disease, prophylaxis of disease and diagnosis of disease. And there is a causality relationship between drug and adverse event. And then next is what is meant by investigation new drug application means INDA. INDA is filed after the preclinical study to get approval for human trials. It is by INDA, investigational new drug application. And then next is what is meant by suspect product. Suspect product means doubtful product, because of that might be adverse reaction is happen. It's called as suspect product. Then what is a SUSAR? That means suspected unexpected serious adverse drug reaction. The suspected means doubtful and unexpected means which is not mentioned in the label of that particular drug. And seriousness means because of this adverse reaction the patient might be death, life threatening, and get admitted into the hospital, or if they are already in hospital, then prolong the hospitalization time, and disability and congenital effect means seriousness. It is all about the suspected unexpected serious adverse drug reaction. And then SUSAR means suspected serious adverse drug reaction. Suspected means it is doubtful, and because of that adverse drug reaction patient death, life threatening, or get administered into the hospital, or if already he is hospital, then prolong the hospitalization time and disability and congenital effect. It's called as a SUSAR. And then next is a MEDRA. MEDRA means it is a medical dictionary for regulatory activity, and it is clinically validated international terminology used for regulatory activity, regulatory authority, and regulated biopharmaceutical company. It's called as a MEDRA. And then WHDD. WHDD is a international classification of medicine used to identify the drug name in spontaneous reporting, and also it is used to it is used to coding the concomitant medicine and treatment. It is called as it's all about the WHO DD. And then next is a suspect completed. And then next is ICH. ICH means International Conference on Harmonization. And then next is SNDA, ANDA supplemental application. It's all about the terminology which is used in pharmacology. Thank you.